welcome to our unboxing of the Xiaomi 360 security camera. So I got this from Challenger for a price you can see on the price tag here. You can see, yes you can see. So basically it's a security camera that offers like motion detection and 24 hours home surveillance for the security of your home. You can use for 24 hours a day. It offers like 360 degrees rotation, so you can have better view of your home when you're not at home, and I think it's a rather suitable product for like baby monitoring or elderly monitoring even. So I've gotten this from Challenger for a price of $55. Okay, you can see from the screen. So what happens is for this price wise, you definitely can get something more recent. There have been more recent version of this camera, okay, but they are China sets or export sets, so basically you'll not be getting the support that you can have if you buy this from official channel such as the Popular Bookstore or Challenger. Yeah, so I think it is rather prudent to get something that is supported locally. If it's shipped from overseas, you might not have the recourse if the item is not working properly. So basically this product, we're going to do a quick unboxing and see what's inside. So some quick specification. What we have here is it supports wireless BG and N, so no 5 GHz support or AC support for this camera. And then also it offers 360 degrees pan. Tilt is about 115 degrees. And then it comes with infrared LED as well, so that you can actually make some images, see some of the images at night. Okay, so we have this open, and first off we have a box. And in this box we have things like a USB cable. This is a micro USB cable, I suppose. I'm not sure about the length yet, I'll find out. And then we have the instruction guide. I hope to do a quick setup of this item as well, so you can see it up and running. And we have a mounting plate with screws, so you can mount this on the wall. It's supposed to work inverted, be able to work inverted as well. Okay, so that's what's inside the box. And then the rest of the item. Okay, so this is the camera itself. It's quite a weighty feel to it, so I hope that means there's a lot of components inside with good quality. It's a static bag like this. Okay, and then how it comes. Okay, the build to it feels actually quite good. The quality of the plastic is actually quite high. And below we have the mounting plate, mounting the mount. And speakers behind with the micro USB port. And we have a reset button over here as well. Okay, so basically you're able to insert a micro SD card up to 64 GB. 64 GB, that gives a few days of recording. And this is the micro SD slot. So I don't know how I feel about this slot here. Is there a need to actually hide it so covertly? And then the lens itself. The LED is actually ring around this area, the shiny black portion. I'm not sure if you'll light up at night. So basically this is the components inside the box. Okay. So far so good. Still with me? Okay. Then we'll go and look at the handphone setup for this item. So I have the cable out It's actually 2 meters in length. There's no power on off button on the camera itself. So just once plugged into.
Bluetooth to pair the device. Waiting for connection.
Alright, that's cool. English prompt. So this is a global set, that's why we have English here. If you're a China set, most probably you'll be using you have Chinese instead. So the camera is moving and rotating. That's rather interesting. Yeah, so no power button.
Waiting for connection.
Waiting for connection. So it says to go into Me app and then add a device. I found a Mi Home Security 360 180p. I connect automatically. So connect to another router. So I'll connect to this router. This is my router. Next.
Waiting for connection.
Scan the QR code with the camera. So I try to place it in front of the camera. Can you see it?
QR code scanned successfully. Connecting. Please wait.
So I managed to scan the QR code with the camera itself just by placing the QR code that was generated.
Connection to Wi-Fi
in the Mi
completed.
Home.
Pairing to account completed. Device online.
Simple as that, I suppose. Connected successfully, it mentions. But tells me to select a room. Living room. I can share this device with another person who has a Mi Home account, Xiaomi account, but let's just get started. I agree. Right, immediately I actually have image on my mobile phone. So that's quite impressive, the speed at which it actually set up. So I can pan and tilt the camera by moving a joystick below on the app itself. This is my room, kind of messed up. Turning beyond this point is not possible. So it's supposed to be 360. Maybe we shall not force the issue. Turning beyond this point is not possible, so it can go up and go down. Right, it's pretty responsive on the whole, but I wouldn't suggest you just pressing down all the way or pressing up all the way. I wonder if it's recording. I click on playback. Right now it's in auto mode. If I tap on this, it starts recording. I can do a screenshot as well. I'm wondering about the microphone quality of this camera. If it's good enough, we can use it for YouTube video. Maybe. So this is recording okay. Another thing I want to find out is whether it does look recording. The salesperson at Challenger says it does, but it's not mentioned anywhere. I mean, it makes sense, right, for security camera to have loop recording, just like the dash cam, right, so that the older data will get erased over time and you can have newer data recorded. Alright, simple setup. From what I heard about online about installation with export sets is that you have to set the country to maybe India or China, even if you're not in those countries, to make it work. So basically, I don't know. Smooth sailing, highly recommended. Quality wise looks okay on my phone. I need to see how it does on the playback. So let me tap on playback now and see. Recording video, can't exit. So I must stop the video first. And then go to playback. So camera SD management. have the date and time. Okay, and then the recorder is in second slots. Couldn't get video file. Well, now this is where things get complicated. Right, I have something.
Select room.
This is how it sounds.
I can share this device with another person who has a mini home account, Xiaomi account. Let's just get started.
That's strange.
Okay.
I do not remember recording
I
this.
actually have image.
Pardon the sweat stain on my shirt, it's kind of hot in the room with no fan on.
Quite impressive, the speed at which it actually.
Kind of warm in the light, yeah.
So I can pan and tilt the camera by moving the joystick below on the app itself. This is my.
Let's do a quick one with lower light. So I switch off the light. Switch this off as well. Oh, it's actually recording all the time. All the time. And when you press the record button on the phone, you actually save the recording on the phone instead of the SD card. Or maybe both. So low light looks pretty okay. It's not exactly dark as dark, but then it looks okay. I'm not sure when the IR light comes on as well. But this is pretty okay. This is pretty good. Good enough for me. Might be good enough for you. Find out. You can click on my link to buy if you like, or find out more if you want. Right? But please support, subscribe, and like my video. Thank you.